Look what we have at the mill today. 4 really nice Ponderosa pine logs. They're relatively straight, not much taper, very small knots, relatively small knots, not very many of them. Really tight outer grain. These should make some really nice lumber. And do I still have a case of bedhead? Yes, I do. Why am I not putting a hat on or fixing that somehow? I don't know. Maybe I'm feeling extra rebellious today, which I think is a situation that's best celebrated by turning these circles into squares. Let's get to it. How's that for a nice 6x8 beam? These logs have been sitting here since last fall. It's not even very heavy. I haven't milled any Ponderosa in a while. I forget how nice of a wood it is. It just has a nice warm look to it, smells amazing, and it mills up really nice. It's just a nice wood to work with. Well, let's see what's in the next one. This one has a little bit of sweep. The old jarhead mills a lot of Ponderosa, and what's he always tell us? Start with your hooks to the right. Start with a bow like this. Log number 3. This is the largest one. Yep, that's right. We have the small end over here, the large end over there. In the spirit of rebellion, we're doing it backwards today. At least on this one log. The others we did it normal. After all, it's Saturday. It's a day to do things a little on the wild side. Hopefully these clouds behind us don't get too wild. There is a little threat of thunderstorms today. Let's open this up and get some lumber up out in this log. Another really nice 6x8. It almost makes me want to do some timber framing. Almost. The wind's picking up. There might be a storm blowing in. Let's get that last, what is that? Log. Yeah, let's get that last log milled up. Up you go. Right. We're 14 inches on the large end. Yep, we have the large end on this side this time. We got it right side forward instead of wrong side backward. That sounds like something else Yogi Berra would say. Actually, it sounds like something my mom would say. I think it's starting to rain. It may have something to do with this gray cloud. What do you know? We got another really nice 6x8. 3 other ones, a whole bunch of 1x8s, and a whole bunch of flitches that I'm going to have to edge. But I'll finish those up tomorrow. Earlier I mentioned something that my mom would say. Well, today I'll leave you with some wisdom that I got from her growing up. 2 things. Number 1, watch out for tails that rattle. Number 2, when you gotta go, you gotta go. I don't remember the exact story on that last one, but I think it had something to do with a rest stop. On that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.